Hallo, ich heiße Ermis. I don't know anything else in German. Okay, so I am Ermis, and today I'm going to show you how you can create facial hair. There are 3 ways you can do this. You can use eyeshadow, you can use an eye pencil, or you can use a mascara. And I'm going to show you how. Firstly, you'll need an eyeshadow and a brush. You're going for a more natural color like brown or black. You're just going to tap and then basically paint your face, and then it already looks good. You can just, to make it even, and here we go. I think it looks natural, and I think it could be me this. This is a really good choice. It's fast, it's convenient, it's easy to do. The bad thing though is that you're really afraid of the rain, because if water or if any liquid touches your face, then everything goes wrong and you don't have facial hair anymore. Your second option is an eye pencil. This is a little bit more difficult than the eyeshadow, but it stays longer. What you're going to do is you're just going to do 3 lines from each side of your upper lip, really, subtle. At this step, you're just going to rub it a little bit. This might irritate your skin a little bit because of your fingers and rubbing your face, but it's really it's a really small, subtle, like mustache kind of thing. You can do your whole face, but it looks kinda realistic. Your third option is mascara. What you're going to do is take it out, just clean it a little bit for it to not be, too much ink. Do mascaras have ink inside? What are they made of, actually? Who knows? Anyways, I cleaned it. And now you are going to try to brush upwards your already facial hair. Everybody has facial hair, okay? Whatever face you have. This is a little bit difficult. Never I make it for the first try. Let's see. As you can see, this is more realistic than the previous one. Make sure you go until you meet your... What is this lip called actually? This lip, the sides. Oh no, I messed it up. I hope it's fixable. I don't wanna do this from the beginning. Just try to like clean it a little bit. I am so hot. I can do a better job than this. This side is more dark than this one. But this is like a legit job. So guys, this was the video. I really hope I helped you, and I really hope you can do it. I'm sure the first time you're going to feel insecure and anxious about it, but trust me, nobody notices your facial hair. I remember myself, I used to like get ready and spend an hour or something trying to create a mustache and then just go back home to take it off the moment I left my house. I believe you can do it.